Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open your phone and unlock it to access the home screen. Place one finger at the top edge and swipe down to reveal the notification bar. Use two fingers and swipe down again to fully expand quick settings and toggles. Tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings for personalization. Long press a notification to reveal app controls, silent options, and immediate actions you can take. Customize which toggles appear by choosing Edit or Manage from the Quick Settings panel. After opening settings, navigate to Notifications or Sound and Notifications on most Android phones. Find notification categories to control how each app presents alerts and banners. Toggle off categories you do not want to appear in the notification bar at all. To reorder quick tiles, open Edit and drag icons to the top row for immediate access. Use Do Not Disturb schedules to suppress notifications during set hours automatically. For iPhone, use Settings then Notifications to adjust style, badges, and lock. Use Quick Actions to control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and screen brightness directly from the notification bar. Long press a quick tile to jump directly into its detailed settings page. Swipe a notification left or right to dismiss single alerts, and use Clear All to remove everything at once. For privacy, disable lock screen preview so content stays hidden until you authenticate. If tiles or behavior look wrong, reset quick settings layout or update system software to fix bugs and restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.